Hi, I'm Alex Krasny, and we are here today at Oracle Open World, where Cisco's got some announcements around UCS. I'm here with Glenn Keels, who's the Director of Product Marketing, and he's going to give us some insights around the announcements.
Thanks for stopping by, Alex.
Thank you so much. So tell me, what's the big news?
So there's a lot of news, actually. It's not just about UCS. We've actually made announcements about availability for our virtual interface card that we announced in the spring that goes into our UCS B-Series servers. We've made announcements around the availability of our extended memory blade server. Huge announcements around Oracle certification and validation for not just UCS, but also our Nexus product line. But the real big news that everybody's glomming onto is the announcement of pricing and availability for C-Series.
So tell us a little bit about C-Series, and can you show us what we've got right here?
This is the UCS C250. So there's really three main reasons why anybody would care around C-Series. Is first, C-Series extends the benefits of unified computing, of radically decreased total cost of ownership and increased IT agility to the vast majority of data center workloads, which actually land on rack, not blades. To ask our customers to blade everything in their data center is a little bit like defying gravity and really not in their best interest. So by extending this, we can now address the vast majority of the workloads in the data center. The second thing is that it actually, because it works in a heterogeneous environment as well as a unified computing environment, it has sort of a built-in migration path to those folks that believe in unified computing, want to get there, but they still need to continue to purchase rack servers right now. And they'll get there when it suits their environment, so they can actually buy now and unify later. The last thing that it brings is extreme differentiation to what has really become a commodity pizza box server market. Right. Okay, that's important for customers because it solves their problem, i.e. 384 gig of memory in a server. But it's also key for our partners because it allows them to bring differentiation, which then allows them to increase revenue streams and make those revenue streams more profitable.
So in terms of news for Cisco channel partners, why is this important for them?
So it's really important because we're delivering on that promise that we talked about in the spring. Okay, in the spring when we announced the blades, we actually only allowed a certain number of channel partners called advanced technology partners access to train and resell UCS. We're delivering on the promise to make this completely available through the channel over time, in that the C-Series will open that up to additional channel partners, additional distribution partners, so that they can, again, get higher revenues or higher margin revenue streams and open up new revenue streams, either on the product side or especially on the services side.
Great. So, and then what is the role of the channel partners in the distribution of these products?
So we're going to announce more of that in the November time frame. We're actually making an availability and pricing announcements now.
Okay.
But the role is, the data center owners and data center operators depend much more on their channel partners in consultative selling, in being able to configure and diagnose and set up systems than our actual direct sales force. So in the end, we see that the channel partners will play a much, much larger role as unified computing becomes the norm in the data centers over time.
Great. Well, it sounds like great news overall, and
it is.
I think everyone should be really excited. Thanks so much for your time today.
Thank you, Alex.